Chicken fried rice on the Blackstone. Let's get it. I'm gonna start by adding some bacon up to the griddle. And then we're gonna take our day-old rice, and I'm just gonna get this chopped up and get it started cooking. I'm gonna go ahead and throw our butter down in the middle and get some pepper on it. Next, I'm gonna add some soy sauce. This is really to taste, and I'll add more later if I think I need it. Spread your rice out thin so it'll crisp up faster. I'm gonna put down some avocado oil, and I'm gonna drop down my frozen vegetables. And on those, I'm gonna add both salt and pepper. Take it easy when adding salt on this meal because the teriyaki glaze and the soy sauce add a lot of sodium to the meal. The rice has been cooking for a little bit, so I'm gonna get it all mixed up again. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic to these vegetables and then the rest of it to the rice. I'm also gonna put a little bit of butter in the vegetables. After the rice is about halfway done, it's time to start the chicken. Get down a little bit more fat and put my chicken down right on top of that. It's spread out nice and thin here. A little bit of salt and pepper. The rice is almost done, so I opened up a little well, add some oil, and crack 2 eggs in it. And we're gonna scramble these eggs up and mix them in with the rice after they're cooked. Get this chicken flipped over. You'll notice I didn't add a ton of seasoning to the chicken, just light salt and pepper, because this teriyaki marinade or glaze has a lot of seasoning mixed into it. Mix the eggs in with the rice and add about a tablespoon of sesame oil. And scoop my vegetables into the rice. Now that the chicken is all done, we're gonna mix it in with the rice. Let all those flavors mix in together. To get it off, I like to use the Cuisinart food mover. It's the fastest way to get large volumes of food off your griddle. This and everything else that I used in the video today will be linked in my Amazon storefront. It's time for that first bite. Has that salty flavor, that sweet flavor from the teriyaki, a little bit of crunch from the rice. Let's eat, y'all.